it's Eric back with Auto Replay and working on my 2008 Dodge Nitro. And it was making this horrific noise. I was like, what the heck is this noise? And took a look underneath and found that the heat shield is loose. So I'll show you real quick. So coming down here on the passenger side, you see right there, this heat shield was loose, and it was like, making this noise underneath. What in the world is that? So what I'm going to do is there's a hole up in here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a hole right there. And I'm going to take this toggle bolt that I got. So you can see that toggle bolt. And I think that'll stick through the hole, and I could be able to put the actual screw in this hole here with a washer to hold it up for now. Just keep it like that, you know. So let me work on that. So I just ended up taking 3 screws and screwed into this other piece right there, and that should fix it for now.